Hello. Thank you for waiting for me tonight. This is the A to Z series. Um, and we finished with Zendocrine, right? And then we went over the Mother's Day um, collection with green mandarin, pink pepper, and star anise or anise, however you pronounce it. And so tonight we are talking about the Father's Day collection that is still available, and you can get 4 of them per account, just so you know. And I ordered 2, and I may order 2 more because I really like them. So that's what we are talking about tonight. Let me finish getting my notes ready, and then see if anybody wants to join me here. There we go. Okay, how was everybody's Wednesday? It was really warm here. So, yeah. If you're jumping on with me, let me know how your day was and if you got the Father's Day collection, and let me know. So, I am Tamara, by the way, with our Big Oily Family. Got to go to softball last night. My husband and son played, and that was super fun. They had a doubleheader, and that's only the second one I was able to go to this year. They won both games. Yay! So, all right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and start. And if you are watching the replay, go ahead and post any questions, comments, anything in the comments. And if you're watching the replay, go ahead and put in replay so that I know that you watched it. And let me know what you think of the Father's Day collection. So we're going to start with the, it's called the Fortifying Roller. And this has, let's see, it's got the nice, there we go, silver stainless steel roller ball that goes on really nice and smooth. And so, okay, so this has Buddha wood, balsam fir wood, black pepper fruit, hinoki, which is like Japanese cypress. That's an oil that doTERRA has, but it's only in Japan. And then patchouli. And it also has cocoa extract and fractionated coconut oil. So this is already pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil, so you can just apply it and you're good to go. So the aromatic description then is rich, woody, earthy, and slightly spicy. Like Whisper, the blend that's for women, it combines with your natural chemistry, and so it will smell different on every single person, which is kind of nice. So it makes it look kind of like your own personal fragrance, right? So the oils in it are very good at calming your mind and soothing your skin. It can also be really good to use to refocus your thought processes throughout the day, right? And then it does help with healthy looking skin, but you can also just use it as a cologne. So let's see what it says. Oh, so not only can you use it as cologne, but it says to use it in your skincare regimen to help reduce the appearance of blemishes and improve your skin more healthy looking. So that's a good one. So I'm going to put it on here, and we'll see what it smells like. So initially, it smells must be the Buddha wood and a little bit of the hinoki, I think. It smells good. So we'll give that a sec. So that is the fortifying blend, and that's the nice 10 milliliter roller with that stainless steel ball, so that it goes on nice and smooth. Then they also have the aftershave lotion. I didn't open this to begin with, so let's see if I can get this open without too much trouble. It's got a little sticker on the top. So comes in, it's a 3.3 ounce. Let's see, it's got a little thingy on the top. It does. So when you get it, obviously you got to take that little thing off the top. Otherwise you'll be squeezing and nothing will come out. There we go. So we'll peel that off. Ooh, it smells really good. So it comes out like so. Ooh, I like that. It's kind of pepperminty. And it's not, it absorbs really quickly, so there's no like greasy left on your hands, which is really nice. All right, so that is the aftershave lotion, but obviously you can use it as a moisturizer also. So that has the same Buddha wood oil, tea tree, which is melaleuca, balsam fir, peppermint, and that has Litsea. And Litsea is not available in the US, it is in Australia. So that's a really good, oil. So you can use it as an aftershave, right? So when you're done shaving, apply a little bit on your face and neck every morning. You can also use it at night. And it is really good for hydration. So if you enjoy the aroma, not just for your man there, you can use it maybe after you shave your legs, right? So yeah, it does help reduce the appearance of blemishes for your skin to look smoother and healthier complexion, right? Calming to use after a close shave. And we're going to look up Buddha wood and balsam fir because... What's up, Nakey guy? Yeah, Winston just got out of the bathtub. So Buddha wood essential oil. Remember that Google is your friend, right? So let's see. So it says that Buddha wood is a rare oil that is steam distilled from a small tree native to Australia. So it is known in Australia as the Australian desert rosewood. It has a deep woody aroma. It has a thick viscous texture, so it's probably like vetiver or myrrh when it comes out, right? It is a really good balancing and grounding oil. Could be used for meditation, and it supports the mindset of those who wish to stay present. So that's a really nice, shave, go to work, you want to be present and stuff. It says Buddha wood oil is sometimes used in place of the more common sandalwood. It's often used in perfumery, especially in cologne for men. So there you go. That is Buddha wood. And then we were going to look up balsam, right? Let's see what balsam. Balsam fir essential oil. All right. So it says balsam fir oil was traditionally used to soothe muscle discomfort following exercise, and it's also known for a good, healthy respiratory function support. So yeah, those are the oils that are in there. All right. What else was in there? We already talked about Litsea, but let me pull up my notes on Litsea. So, Litsea. And like I said, Litsea is from Australia. That's the only place you can get it. And so it's really nice that they put it in this, the aftershave lotion. So it is, emotionally, it is the oil, Litsea, the oil of manifestation. It is a lemon-like essential oil, surface cleansing properties. So it's kind of along the lines with other citrus oils. When it's diffused, so that would be diffused, right? Because you're applying it to your skin and you're getting that aroma. It can have strong rejuvenating effects, bringing fresh energy to your day. It's also known as the oil of tranquility. So if you have like stressful workplace or whatever, this would be great to apply, right? Does help with oily skin and blemishes. So yeah. That is Litsea. So again, that is the aftershave, and that has the Buddha wood oil, Melaleuca, which is great for cleansing your skin, right? It's really good for any type of breakouts and helping to reduce the appearance of any blemishes, right? Peppermint's really good because that's invigorating in the morning. It would really wake you up. And then that Litsea oil is really good for your skin also. So yeah. And then the last one then in the Father's Day is the Onyx. I think it's Onyx. Is it Onyx? Maybe it's Onyx. How do you pronounce it? How would you pronounce that? O-N-Y-X. Onyx. Onyx? Onyx. Probably Onyx. Bath bar. So it is this black bath bar, and I know this has balance, so that's our grounding blend, right? So but ooh, smells like balance, but also something else. Ooh, yummy. I like that. I like it. So it is a African black soap that has naturally occurring vitamin E infused with the Balance blend, right, which is our grounding blend, and makes a really rich lather. You can use it in the shower or at the sink, right, wherever you use your soap at. If you want to make the bar last longer, make sure it dries off so it's not sitting in water all the time. They have those little, I don't know, they got little bumps on either side. They're small that you can put your soap on, right? So this has the Balance in it. It has a mixture of plant-derived moisturizers and natural cleansers. Oh, and it's also perfect for shaving. So if you don't like your shaving cream that you're using now, you could use, lather up, apply that, and shave. So you could use it for that. It does smell really good. I'm going to have to try that out tonight. Not that I'm shaving tonight, but yeah, that smells really good. So those are the 3 products then. You got your fortifying blend, which, see, now the woody smell has kind of gone. But I think it smells really good. I would wear that and feel very fortified, right? All right. The bath bar that you can also use as your shaving bar, and then your aftershave lotion that is a great hydrating lotion with some oils in it. Both of those have oils in it that we can't necessarily get here. So yeah. Let me know if you got that, what you think of them, how your husband likes them, right? Or your significant other, whoever you gave them to, or your dad. But yeah, and they are still available. Like I said, you can get 4 per account. So if you already bought two, then you can get two more if you want, but they are while supplies last. So if it is something that you want to get more of, I would do that sooner rather than later. And make sure you buy them on your LRP, because then you get those LRP points to use to purchase other free stuff, right? Because who doesn't like free stuff? So that is all I have on the Father's Day collection. And I'm hoping that they kind of keep this around because I really like it and it would be a nice addition. I don't know what we're up to next week because we've gone through all the oils. And so I think we'll start on the products and just kind of take them in groups, not necessarily in alphabetical order, but in groups, and just kind of go a little deeper into the makeup of them and what they're good for and how they can be used and that kind of thing. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your Wednesday night. I think I'm going to go sit on the porch because it is nice and it is warm today for sure. And I will talk to you all later. All right. Have a great night.